In this video, I'm going to show you how to check gold news on Forex Factory. So the first way you can do this is basically when you come to the website, you want to go to the market tab up top over here, and then where it says the instrument here at the top left, you can just go ahead and type in gold. So I'm going to click on it right now here, and it's going to allow me to change the instrument, and I'm going to look for gold USD, which is already listed over here. But if it's not, you can just go ahead and type in gold and then click on whichever gold you want, and then here it's going to basically load in, and there we go. You'll be able to see the hottest stories for gold USD, and then the latest stories and also the upcoming events, etc. So pretty much everything. So that's the first way to actually check gold news on Forex Factory. And the second one is by going to news up top. And then in here, you can also just go ahead and search. Okay, so on the left hand side here, it says search, and then just type in gold and go ahead and search for that. And then here you can also do advanced search options, and make sure you also click stories, so it's only searching in stories, not in comments as well. And then you can also select the categories and just click on either date or relevancy. I'm going to do relevancy right now. Click on search again, and that will give you some news you can check about gold as well. So that's how to do it. Those are the two ways. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.